Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back my another video. Pankaj here. So in this video we will discuss about the sort order. So how you can filter your PowerApps gallery with the sort order. Okay. So first we need to put this is our data source attendance records and this is our gallery. Basically this application developed for a attendance application. Okay. So here is my data gallery where it's showing data in ascending order of ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, small to large. Okay, so if you want to filter the l- large to small, so how you can filter? If you want filter with the date, if you want to filter with the name, so how you can filter? Okay, so we are starting. First, we are sort put this formula, then I need to put here which column do you want to sort in this gallery. So I want sort the ID column. Okay, so ID, after ID, which order do you want to sort of, in which type order? So I want to sort this gallery in ascending, then click this one and bracket close. Okay, so here now, here showing my ID column is small to large 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, if I'm type here the descending. Okay, now my ID column showing here large to small 26, 25, 24, 23 like this. Okay, let's suppose if you want to filter any one column, like you want to filter date column, so you can directly filter the date column. You need to select the date. Here you can able to view, here is showing large date and small date. Okay, if you set here, so now you able to view here, you can able the small date to large. Okay, so and you want to filter the this gallery by name A to Z. Okay, so how you can filter this gallery by A to Z? So you need to put here the employee name column. You can put a as per your requirement any column name. Okay, so I'm put, because here is a employee name, so I'm put here employee name column, so it's a title column, so I'm put the title. Now I'm able to view, here is showing the data in like that, A B C D M N O P or something like this. Okay, so after M, here is P. Okay, and you able to view, here is data ID showing incorrect. Okay, if you want to show the Z mean X Y first and A in last. Okay, so you can type here sending. Okay, now able to view, here showing Y, S and P after this M. So here is the descending order. If you want change it, you can change any column. You can put also here anything, which type column do you want to sort. You can directly put the name and use the same formula. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the sort order. So thank you so much. If you have any issue about the sort order, please ping me on you in comment, and you can ping me also on WhatsApp. So thank you so much.